How do I access my contacts for Android? Before we begin, please first check that TextMe is allowed to access your contacts. You can check that in your device settings. Tap Settings on your device, then tap Apps, then tap See All Apps, then find the TextMe app. Then tap Permissions, then tap Contacts. Lastly, make sure that you have selected the Allow Radio button. Once you've confirmed that you've provided access to your device contacts, it's easy to access your contacts in the TextMe app. Simply tap the three dots in the upper right from your inbox screen. Then from this drop-down, select Contacts. In order to find a specific contact without navigating the list, you can use the search icon in the upper right. If you are searching for a TextMe user, you can quickly do this by tapping the TextMe tab towards the top of the screen.